Hello friends, in this video I will share the technical analysis of OP coin, TIA coin, LDO coin, INJ coin and QNT coin. Before starting the technical analysis, it is a reminder that this video is just for education and it is not an investment advice. I have opened the chart of OP against the USDC on 1 day time frame. If we look at this coin, currently this coin is moving in its downtrend where it gave the breakdown of this arc formation when it gave closing below 1.604 in this candle. After that, it exposed the final target of 1.060. That was a strong support on 1 day time frame. And if you look at these candles has successfully achieved this final target. Currently, price is moving at 0.968. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, we need to follow two strategies in this coin. First strategy is a sell on strength, and that strength level is 1.215. If you guys have bought this coin at higher rates and now you are stuck into this coin and you want to exit from this coin might give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is also 1.215. The next strategy that we can follow in this coin is a sell on new breakdown, and that level is a 0.787. When will give closing below 0.787, it will submit a new breakdown and we will see a huge drop in its prices on the downside, but it has not submitted a new breakdown yet, so we cannot predict level on downside. But whenever it will submit a new breakdown, I will definitely share the levels on this YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe this channel so you don't miss those important levels in this coin. This coin is moving in this downtrend. I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. We will get initial confirmation that this coin has started its uptrend when it will give closing above 1.215. Before this level, I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin for mid-term to long term. You will get opportunities on smaller time frame, like for intraday trading. You will get opportunities for buying, and if you want to trade and you want to hold it for mid-term to long term, I will not recommend you guys to go and trade against its major trend, and the major trend is downtrend, and we have to follow two strategy: either sell on strength, I have mentioned the strength level, that is 1.215, and either sell on new breakdown, and it will submit a new breakdown when it will give closing below 0.787. The next coin is a TIA. If we look at TIA against USDC on 1 day time frame, currently it is moving in a downtrend where it gave a breakdown of this descending triangle formation when it gave closing below 4.355 in this candle. After that, it exposed two targets on downside. First target was 2.999, and that target has already been achieved in these candles, and it has a final target on downside, that is 1.607, and this final target is not achieved yet. Currently price is moving at 3.399. In my last video, if you go on my channel and look on my last video that I made on the TIA, this video that I uploaded 7 days ago, in that video I mentioned that as this coin is moving, as this coin was moving, it's a downtrend, so we need to follow a strategy where we need to go for a sell on strength. And I mentioned that if you guys have bought this coin at higher rates and now you are stuck into this coin, and if you guys want to go and exit from this coin, that exit point that I mentioned in my last video was 3.931. And if you look at these candles successfully tested this level. And if you guys have watched my that video, so I am sure that you have taken your exit from this coin. And currently, if we look at its prices, currently prices are moving almost 15% below that exit level. I think you guys are saved from that 15% loss, and you have exit from this coin on exact exit level that I mentioned in my last video. this coin might again give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is now 3.888. If you guys have bought this coin at higher rates and you want to get exit from this coin might give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is 3.888. You can exit from this coin at this rate, and you can also go for selling or short selling into this coin at this level. After that, its first target on downside will be 2.999, and its final target on downside will be 1.607. That is the target of this formation, and we will see drop in its prices in upcoming days when if it fails to sustain above 3.888, and its prices will simply fall on downside, and they will try to achieve these two targets on downside. As this coin is moving, it's a downtrend, so I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. This coin will give us initial indication that this coin has started its uptrend when it will give closing above 3.888. Before this level, I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin for mid-term to long term. For short term, you will get opportunity every day for buying and for selling as well. But if you want to trade for mid-term to long term, I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend, and we will get confirmation when it will give closing above 3.888. The next coin that we need to discuss is LDO. Well, if we look at LDO against USDC, it had a strong support of 1.396, and I also discussed it in my last video, same video in which I discussed the TIA. In that video, I discussed that if at LDO will give closing below 1.396, its prices will fall on downside, and we need to go for selling into this coin at 1.396. And this candle has given closing below 1.396, and in my last video I mentioned two levels where prices will fall of LDO on downside. First target was 1.075 and final target was 0.90. So if you look at this candle has almost achieved these both targets on downside. Currently price is moving at 1.160. You guys have bought this coin at higher rates and now you want to exit from it. This coin might give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is 1.396. You can again, if it fails to sustain above this level, you can again go for selling or short selling into this coin at this level, and again your targets on downside will be, first target will be 1.075, and your final target on downside will be 0.900. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. We will get initial confirmation that this coin has started its uptrend when it will sustain above 1.604. Before this level, I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin for mid-term to long-term. For short term, you can definitely go for buying into this coin whenever you get confirmation on charts. I will definitely share on my this YouTube channel whenever it will confirm that this coin has started its uptrend. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you want to know how Bitcoin will perform in 2025, I have uploaded a dedicated video on Bitcoin on my this YouTube channel. You can go and watch this 6-minute video, and you will get to know how Bitcoin will perform in 2025. The next coin is INJ. If we look at INJ against the USDC on the 1-day time frame, currently this coin is moving in a downtrend where it gave the breakdown of this arc formation when it gave closing below 18.41 on this candle. After that, it exposed two targets on downside. First target was 13.57. This target has already been achieved in these candles, and final target was 10.80, and this final target has already been achieved in last candle, in second last candle. Currently price is moving at 11.95. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, so we need to follow two strategies in this coin. First strategy is a sell on strength, and that strength level is a 16.16. If you guys have bought this coin at higher rates and now you are stuck into this coin and you want to get exit from this coin might give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is also 16.16. And the next strategy that we can follow in this coin is a sell on new breakdown. This coin will submit a new breakdown when it will give closing below 10.80. This coin has not submitted a new breakdown yet, so we cannot predict levels on downside. But whenever it will submit a new breakdown, I will definitely share on my this YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe this channel so you don't miss the levels that it will expose on downside after this breakdown. The next, as this coin is moving in its downtrend, I will now recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin for midterm to long term until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. This coin will give us early indication that this coin has started its uptrend when it will give closing above 16.16. Before this level, I will now recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin for midterm to long term. The next coin is QNT. I need to open this coin on 4 hour time frame. In my last video, I discussed the QNT where it gave the breakout of this consolidation zone and sustained above 99.35 in these candles. And after that, I mentioned in my this last video that I made on QNT, this 7 days, the video that I uploaded 7 days ago. In that video, I discussed this breakout when QNT gave closing above 99.35. In my last video, I mentioned two targets in this coin on upside. First target was 105. This target was successfully achieved in these candles, and final target was around 115. And if you look at this candle made a high of 112.79. So both targets are almost achieved in these candles. Currently, price is moving at 90.53. Price is again consolidating in a sideways zone where the support of this sideways zone is 83.95 and the resistance of this sideways zone is 99.35. If you guys want to go for buying into this coin, you need to make sure that you get a buying price of 83.95 in this coin. After that, you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below this level. After that, your first target will be around 92.32 and your final target will be the resistance of this sideways zone, that is 99.35. But if it fails to sustain above 83.95 and it give closing below 83.95, its prices will fall on downside and they will try to hit the level of 73.14 on downside. That is the level that that is the level that QNT made on this candle on low side. You need to make sure that you are aware of this 83.95 level. Let me mark this level. So it can fall to the level of 73.14 if it give closing below 83.95, and on upside, if it give closing above 99.35, it will again go on top on the upside and it will try to achieve a target of around 115. But you need to make sure that it sustain above 99.35. It give proper closing above 99.35, and then if it is sustain above 99.35, it will again try to achieve its final target on upside, that will be around 115. These are the levels in QNT. I have discussed all this kind mostly on 1 day time frame. If you guys want to get the alerts on smaller time frame like 4 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, 30 minutes time frame, you can join my free Telegram and Facebook groups. And if you have liked this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel so you don't miss any informative content like this in upcoming days. That's all for now. See you in next video.